Will current flow more easily through a thick wire or a thin wire of the same material when connected to the same source? Why? Again, this is a reason-based question. I would like you guys to think over. So any reason-based question, don't see the answer. Think over. Think even if it takes time. Even if you have to just switch off your video source and think it over for a day also. It's okay. But thinking is very important. Take a screenshot. Think about it. So answer is quite simple. So let me explain it this way though. Will the current flow more easily through a thick wire or a thin wire of the same material? So they're talking about thickness. That is, they're talking about area of cross section, right? So how do you answer such a question? Well, we should start with the formula. We know that resistance of a given wire is equal to rho L by A. Is it not? Wait, actually you need to expand all of that. Can't just write. We need to, if you have to present it, this is the way to present. Resistance of a wire of length L, area of cross section A, and resistivity rho is given by R is equal to rho L by A. So they're asking for a fixed resistivity length, right? How is radius related to, sorry, not radius, resistance related to area of cross section? So we'll begin with, right? That's what indirectly they're talking about. For fixed length and material, R is inversely proportional to area. Is it not? If I fix these two quantities, so as and when you change resistance, area of cross section, resistance will change. This implies more the area of cross section, lesser the resistance. And this is your basically your answer. So let's see if it answers, or we need to write a different statement. Will current flow more easily through a thick wire or a thin wire? So the answer is, now we should answer, thus current will flow more easily in thick wire. So this is the approach of writing. Okay, it's a easy question, yes, but the way you think over is very important. The question is not for you guys to answer and get marks. The questions are for you to think over and understand. Think over, understand the concept better. That's why the questions are, that's the role of the questions. It's not for you to get marks and get a certificate. That's actually secondary. The main thing is that you need to understand the concept. The questions are to trigger your thoughts, not for you guys to by heart and get marks. So please stop doing that. Every question, again, by default, if I ask or don't ask, it's to be paused and to be thought over. It's okay to get it wrong, but it's very important for you guys to think. Okay, they asked why also, as its resistance will be less. I know it's already kind of written, but again, some teachers might read the last statement and see the formula and put tick. So it's better to write the entire answer at one shot.